Did you know that for many years, Mnova has shipped with a powerful scripting engine based on JavaScript? From simple processing recipes to fully fledged plugins and mini apps, the JavaScript engine has been a solid tool within Mnova. So why, you may ask, do we want to introduce Python? The answer lies in where the world of scientific computing is headed. In recent years, Python has become the de facto standard for scientific computing. Why has this happened? Let's take a look. Python offers a massive ecosystem of scientific libraries, from NumPy and SciPy for numerical computing, to pandas for data analysis, and matplotlib visualization. It's all there. Need machine learning? Scikit-learn or TensorFlow has you covered. Working with APIs, databases, or file systems, Python makes it straightforward and powerful. And with tools like pip and conda, installing and managing packages is a breeze. No version nightmares. Python's clean, readable syntax is perfect for rapid prototyping and cross-disciplinary collaboration. Features like comprehensions, inheritance, and library imports make for much easier coding. And let's not forget the community, one of Python's biggest strengths. From online tutorials to AI tools like ChatGPT that can generate Python scripts from natural language prompts, the support is unmatched. Even though Python isn't traditionally known for speed, many of its libraries are powered by fast, low-level code. This means your critical computations can still be lightning fast. But enough from me. What do others say of Python? Here are a few quotes from Wikipedia. Python consistently ranks as one of the most popular programming languages. Its vast standard library is one of its greatest strengths. As of March 2025, the Python Package Index hosts over 614,000 packages. So, while JavaScript has been a powerful ally in Mnova, Python opens new doors, especially for scientists, data analysts, and machine learning enthusiasts. Whether you're automating workflows or building the next generation of data analysis tools, Python in Mnova is here to power your ideas.